In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Adobe Illustrator Error 87 quickly and safely. This is a very common problem that appears when you try to install or update Adobe Illustrator and suddenly get an installation failure showing Error 87. Usually, this happens because a previous installer or update process is still running in the background, which blocks a new installation from starting. The good news is that this issue is usually very easy to fix once you know what to look for. I'll walk you through several proven solutions step by step, starting with the fastest fixes and then moving into more advanced solutions if the error still appears. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's go ahead and fix Illustrator Error 87. The first and most effective fix is simply restarting your computer. A lot of the time, Error 87 happens because a background installer from Adobe or Windows is stuck or partially running. When you restart your system, it automatically clears these background processes and resets the installer environment. So before trying anything complicated, save your work, restart your computer, and once your system boots back up, try installing Adobe Illustrator or the Creative Cloud update again. In many cases, this alone completely resolves the problem. If restarting your computer didn't solve the issue, the next step is to manually close any installer processes that may still be running in the background. On Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+S on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If you're using Mac OS, you can open Activity Monitor from Spotlight Search. Once the Task Manager window opens, look through the list of running processes and search for anything related to installers. Common ones that cause this error include Adobe Installer, Windows Installer, msiexec.exe, or anything simply named Setup. If you see any of these running, right-click on them and select End Task. This forces the process to stop and frees up the installer so Illustrator can run properly. After closing those tasks, try launching the Illustrator installer again and see if the error is gone. If the error still appears, the next step is to check Adobe folder permissions. Sometimes incorrect permissions prevent the installer from writing files properly, which can trigger Error 87. Open File Explorer and navigate to your App Data local folder and also the Common Files directory where Adobe stores installation data. Inside these Adobe folders, right-click the folder, select Properties, then go to the Security tab. Make sure all users or your main user account have full control permissions enabled. If not, edit the permissions and allow full control. After applying the changes, restart your computer again and try installing the Creative Cloud desktop application first before installing Illustrator. If you are still getting Error 87, Adobe provides an official tool designed to fix installation problems called the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. This utility removes leftover or corrupted files from previous Adobe installations that can interfere with new installs. Download the Creative Cloud Cleaner tool from Adobe's official website, run the tool, and follow the prompts to clean up old installation data. Once the cleaning process finishes, restart your computer and then reinstall the Creative Cloud desktop app followed by Illustrator. Another possible cause of Illustrator Error 87 is a Windows update running in the background. Sometimes Windows installs updates silently and this can conflict with software installers. To check this, open Windows Settings, go to Windows Update, and make sure your system has completed all pending updates. Install anything that is waiting, restart your computer, and then try installing Illustrator again. Finally, in rare cases, the issue can be caused by a conflicting driver installer running in the background, such as an Intel chipset or hardware driver update. Open Task Manager again and check for any driver installers that appear to be running continuously. If you find one, end the task and remove the installer file if it keeps restarting itself. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix Illustrator Error 87 and get your installation working again. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.